sailboat in the moonlight and June. Wouldn't that be heaven? Oh, heaven just for two. A soft breeze on a June night and June. What a perfect setting for letting dreams come true.
It's day 3 of our little project here on the Grampian 30, and we've mixed up some epoxy and gotten to the job of installing those stringers. They've been coated with epoxy as well, and then they're going to be painted with an epoxy paint to keep them nice and dry. But this is what it's looking like now. We've got them all nicely inserted, and they're in thickened epoxy right now. We'll have a bit of glass work, and then there's floors that go on top of that. They're screwed into them, so it sort of holds itself in place. That's where we're at. We've done a bit of driving today, and I'm here with Molly, and Molly is actually buying a new yacht. There she is there.
Land yacht.
Land yacht this time. Anyway, folks, this is what she's got her eye on. Look at this thing. Quite a change from what she was in before. Look at that. Okay, so Molly, you want to make a little announcement?
Okay. Sure. I guess we just bought a van.
And you got a great deal on it.
Yeah.
And
thanks to my dad.
It needs a little bit of loving, but we'd like to introduce you to, what's she called?
Freedom Wide Body.
Freedom Wide Body. Look at that. So Molly, why don't you take us around? Why don't you take us around and give us a tour?
A tour? All right.
Yeah.
So here's the window.
Yeah. Don't be silly.
And the tail light.
I see it needs some work here. This is the bad thing.
Yeah.
No.
We've got some rust in the corner up here that's got to get fixed.
Yeah. Let's have a look at that here.
I don't know what the damage is on the inside. We can't get the door open currently.
Yeah.
Just because it's stuck.
Yeah.
But
that should be repairable.
Yeah,
easy.
it should be super easy to repair. We just kind of fastened that in, or my dad did, because this needs to be rebolted. We have a huge keychain with like 20 keys on it, so we haven't been able to open all these compartments yet, but we're getting there. Yeah, the awning does come with it. We haven't pulled it down yet, but I'm assuming that it probably works great.
And an exterior light there.
Wait, you ready?
Yeah.
Come on in. All right. It's messy.
Yeah. So it is pretty dated. I see the colors are dated. The colors don't really even match very well, but
they're coming back, right?
No. And there's a bed in the back. There's a toilet here, and there's a stove here. Propane stove. What's that for?
This is the table. So this sets up into a 4-seater with a table. Yeah. And that also will convert, that board under there will convert this section into another bed as well.
Okay.
So there's you have potential for two different spots for a bed, but I don't think 2 beds at the same time.
Yeah.
But this is the table for the back there.
Yeah, and it's got a microwave. Now mind you, everything's kind of dated and kind of dirty, but
and wait.
Well, they lost the rotisserie.
They did.
Yeah.
It's a good size though.
Yeah, and in the back here there is an air conditioner. Whether it works or not, I don't know. Air conditioner in the back, lighting. Yeah, curtains,
and if I can I take that for a sec?
Yeah, sure.
I'm just going to show you this side because you can't really see it. So this is a fridge as well that it has.
That's a propane and electric. Both, by the way?
There's the fridge. Oh, really? Yeah. Here, if you set this seat down.
There's a chest set here too.
Oh, amazing. We've got another table here.
Yeah.
Lots of storage space up top. Here, we'll walk you back actually to see the bathroom. We're missing a door here, and we're missing a door here, but we'll be creative with those. There's some shelving unit.
Great stereo system, by the way.
Brand new stereo system. And an Aerosmith CD.
TV with an antenna.
Yeah, TV with an antenna. There's the back hatch, which will eventually open and be kind of our little porch sitting area. The windows came down because it won't shut all the way, the window in the back. So there's something going on with either the seal or the lock. And there's a hole that we'll have to replace that's just in the back door. And then in the front, it makes a weird sound. There's a weird sound in the front.
You do? Well, they're automatic, eh?
I know. I like manual windows. Keep your arms muscular. Now.
Yeah, yeah. Just go slowly and systematically.
What?
Slowly and systematically.
Working at the van wash, whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah, at the van wash, yeah.
Now, we've gone through $20 worth of toonies. For you Americans, those are $2 coins. And we can't quite get all the pine gum off the top, but that'll be sort of a hand wash thing with a nice stiff brush and some boat cleaner, but it really is cleaning up nicely. So Molly's just going to back it up and we'll do a little unveiling for you all, okay? Here she comes. Yep, keep coming. Yeah, keep coming. Wow, what a difference. The top's still got some pine gum on it, but wow. She looks good. Inside. Well, that's good. That's good, eh? Yeah. Right on. Yep.
Okay.
So, you happy with her?
I'm beyond happy. I think that's like an understatement.
Yeah.
Oh, it just was, yeah. it kind of came out of nowhere a little bit fast, so there was a lot of nerves from that, just from feeling like a lot was happening really quickly, and we were a little underprepared, but we really didn't want to pass up on this deal, and we're so thankful that we didn't.
You should say who we is.
Oh, yes. Okay, so my best friend slash not legally adopted sister, but yes, is, well, we're planning a trip together in a van to go out east, and we were lightly discussing it and lightly figuring out vans, and this one just came on the market, and it was way too good to be true, so
So, what, you want to say what her name is?
Did I not say your name?
No.
Oh, I expect everyone to know her already.
Yeah.
Amber Stacy.
Yeah, so there you go. So Amber and Molly, I hope you have a great adventure in this beautiful new land yacht.
This van it's probably in quite good shape, really, but a little bit, it would have taken a little more money than we were expecting. So luckily the lady who had it for sale, she did give us an even better deal on it to kind of help with those extra little sneaky projects and parts that we're gonna have to fix on it. And so we just could not say no.
Well, she made it back to Belleville. Look at that. First 100 miles. There you go.
Oh my God.
How you doing, darling?
Good.
Yeah. Isn't that something?
What do you think?
I think it's awesome.
I thought you were gonna say ugly. I think it's ugly.
It's a good thing, eh?
We did.
We know, but I mean, you can see that here with them.
Oh yeah, Deb, we've already gone through.
Like this whole thing was like this.
But
But
we're
worse.
like the
This is-
sailboats when we
I
get
went
them.
on top and we scrubbed and sprayed that. That's like better than. There's a lot of junk that she left in it, which I'm so excited about. So we get to go through it.
Yes, I really love it.
I was like, she was like,
You're
oh,
more
well, there's a
excited
few
about the
things I
junk?
have to grab, and I was like, just leave all the garbage. I'll clean it out. It's fine. I've already found a machete and a tree cutter. Nailed it.
Yeah.
And look at these cute little picture frames.
The carpet's not bad. Just needs a good shampooing.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Oh, I can stand that.
Oh, yes, you can.
You got lots of headroom in here, eh?
Look at, by the way, storage under this.
Oh wow.
I just can't open it with the cushions there. Storage under this. Wait. Storage under this.
Wow.
Storage under both those seats in the back.
Oh, you changed the bed around.
You can get a piece of wallpaper for this.
We already looked into it. I sent Amber a picture of plant wallpaper I found. Not that we're going to do that.
Propane stove too, Ada.
What's that?
Propane stove there.
I don't know why they did
2-burner propane.
It's in good shape.
They had extra support on this thing.
Well, whether at land or at sea, the sentiment is the same. We hope Molly has a lot of adventures on her new land yacht with Amber, and we'll look forward to seeing some videos from her as she travels through the east coast of Canada. Hope you enjoyed this land-based episode of Wind Over Water. We'll see you next week. Pull the handle. Pull the trigger.
Talk to me.